Okay, finding possible rational zeros for polynomials. Okay, now, if you look at this here, okay, then can you see, because of this negative 24 at the end and it being an x cubed, it could, I'm not saying it does, it could factor into, let's have a look, to get negative 24, x minus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. All I'm saying is, can you see that negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6 times positive 4 is negative 24, okay? So what I'm saying is that the factors, the numbers that might work would be 2, negative 3 and negative 4 because they're all factors of 24, okay? So there's no point in using a 5 when you're going to do synthetic division because 5 is not going to go into negative 24. There's no point in using a 7. 1 will work, 2 will work, 3 will work, 4. I mean, 24's got plenty of multiples, but that's just an idea of what to use in synthetic division if you're not sure where to start, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do fully question 33. So can you see that because it's got this 6 at the end, 1 might work? Well, let's see, plus and minus 1, plus and minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6. All those are factors of the 6, okay? So we're going to do synthetic division. 1, negative 2, negative 5, 6. Notice I haven't given you any numbers. You have to try them yourself and see if you get a 0 at the end. So, well, what the heck? Let's try a 1. Remember, bring down the first number there. 1 times 1. So here, 1 times 1 is 1. Add those two together, you get negative 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Add those two together, you get negative 6. 1 times negative 6. Oh, there you go, it worked. So that is fine, okay? We just got lucky. Seriously, we got lucky with that one. So don't forget what this means. This is x squared minus 1x minus 6. And that will factor into x minus 3, x plus 2. In other words, if I want the x-intercepts, remember, 1 is an answer. So I'll do it like this. X-intercept, so 1, 0, 1 comma 0. That's an x-intercept. We've got positive 3 down here, haven't we? So positive 3 comma 0. And down here we've got negative 2. So those are the x-intercepts. If it wants you to write all the factors, so remember this, if it wants you to write the factors of this, then don't forget where this first one came from x minus 1. So I'd also have an x minus 1 written down here if you wanted the 3 factors. If you multiplied all that together, okay, you would get the original question, okay? Oh, still got to graph it. Great. Right, 1 is an x-intercept, 3 is an x-intercept, and negative 2. It's a positive x cubed, so it looks something like this. Oh, sorry. Oh, the easy one. What did I forget? Positive 6 is the y-intercept. So there we go, down there, back up, and back down again. Something like that. Okay, don't worry too much about accuracy. Okay, there you go.